The SAP Certified SAP Business One exam is no longer about memorizing answers. The new SAP performance-based exam places you in realistic consultant scenarios where AI stakeholders evaluate how you solve business problems in real time. In this video, you'll learn how SAP scenario-based questions work and the types of tasks you must complete to pass the certification. The SAP Business One certification focuses on core business operations, including inventory, purchasing, finance, logistics, and master data management. The exam is designed for SAP consultants and implementation professionals who need hands-on SAP Business One expertise to solve practical business challenges. Now, let's jump into a realistic SAP exam simulation. Scenario 1: Inventory and Master Data Issue. A manufacturing company reports inconsistent inventory quantities between warehouses. The client says, "We transferred stock yesterday, but warehouse quantities are still incorrect. Sales orders are now failing." As the SAP consultant, your task is to investigate and explain the solution. First, you verify the item master data settings. Then, you review warehouse assignments, inventory transfer documents, posting dates, batch and serial number tracking, inventory valuation methods. You discover that users performed manual inventory transfers without proper document posting validation. Now the AI stakeholder asks, how would you prevent this issue from happening again? Your response should include authorization controls, standardized inventory transfer workflows, real-time inventory validation, proper warehouse management procedures, user training recommendations. This is exactly how SAP scenario-based questions work in the new exam. SAP is testing whether you can think like a real consultant, not just recall definitions. Exam. Tip: always verify master data, warehouse assignments, and transaction documents before proposing a solution. SAP examiners want root cause analysis, not quick fixes. Scenario 2: Purchasing process. Optimization. A retail company complains that purchase approvals are taking too long, causing delayed inventory replenishment. The AI stakeholder asks, how would you improve the purchasing workflow inside SAP Business One? As the consultant, you begin by analyzing purchase request flow, approval procedures, vendor management, goods receipt timing, document synchronization. You identify that approval procedures are configured manually with unnecessary dependency chains. Your recommendation includes automated approval stages, role-based authorization, vendor evaluation optimization, purchasing alerts and notifications, procurement workflow standardization. Then comes the cross-examination phase. The AI asks, what risks exist if approval automation is configured incorrectly? This is where many candidates fail SAP hands-on practice exams. A strong answer would include unauthorized purchasing risk, financial compliance violations, incorrect document posting, procurement fraud exposure, audit tracking failures. The SAP performance-based exam measures both technical accuracy and business reasoning. Exam. Tip: when improving a process, explain both the benefits and risks. SAP often cross-examines candidates on compliance, approvals, and controls. If you want realistic SAP exam simulation practice for this exam, including AI role-play scenarios, flashcards, and hands-on mock tasks, check out certshero.com. Practicing realistic exam tasks is one of the fastest ways to reduce exam anxiety and improve consultant-level problem-solving skills. Scenario 3: Financial reporting problem. A finance manager reports that balance sheet totals are inconsistent after month-end closing. The AI stakeholder asks, how would you investigate the issue? As the consultant, you begin by reviewing journal entries, G/L, account determination, posting periods, reconciliation reports, financial templates. You discover incorrect account mapping during automated transaction posting. Now the AI challenges you further. How would you fix the issue without impacting historical reporting? Your answer should include controlled adjustment entries, validation before reposting, audit safe correction procedures, financial reconciliation verification, backup and testing recommendations. This is what makes the new SAP scenario-based questions different from traditional certification exams. SAP now evaluates practical decision-making ability under real business conditions. Exam tip: never suggest changing historical financial data directly. Focus on reconciliation, auditability, and controlled correction procedures. Scenario 4. Logistics and sales order management. A distribution company experiences repeated delivery delays and customer complaints. The AI stakeholder asks, how can SAP Business One improve order fulfillment efficiency? As the consultant, you analyze sales order processing, inventory availability, delivery scheduling, warehouse coordination, customer master data quality. You identify that inaccurate master data and delayed inventory updates are disrupting fulfillment operations. Your solution includes real-time inventory synchronization, delivery workflow automation, customer data standardization, warehouse coordination improvements, logistics KPI monitoring. Then the AI asks a deeper consulting question. How would you measure whether the solution is successful? Strong SAP consultants answer using measurable KPIs: delivery accuracy, fulfillment speed, inventory turnover, customer satisfaction metrics, order processing time reduction. This is the mindset SAP expects in modern SAP exam tasks. Exam tip: support your recommendation with business KP is such as delivery accuracy, order cycle time, and customer satisfaction. SAP values measurable outcomes. Today, you didn't just review theory. You performed realistic SAP exam simulation tasks aligned with the new SAP Certified SAP Business One exam format. These are the exact types of SAP scenario-based questions designed to test your real consulting ability. If you want to master the new SAP performance-based exam format, focus less on memorization and more on hands-on problem solving. For realistic AI role-play scenarios, SAP hands-on practice, flashcards, and full C_TB120 exam preparation, visit certshero.com. And if you want more advanced SAP certification simulations, subscribe now because the next video will cover deeper consultant-level SAP Business One implementation tasks. Keep practicing consistently because real SAP success comes from performing, not memorizing.